If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you know the importance of having the right gear for your adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a day at the beach, a reliable, comfortable chair can make all the difference. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the MTRVR Portable Camp Chair. One of the standout features of the MTRVR Portable Camp Chair is its instant setup capability. This chair can be assembled in just 5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 5 seconds. This is a huge time saver. When it's time to pack up, the chair folds back just as quickly and easily. This hassle-free operation makes it perfect for spontaneous adventures and quick getaways. Despite its lightweight design, the MTRVR chair is incredibly sturdy. Crafted from high-strength aluminum, the chair weighs only a few pounds, making it easy to carry, yet it boasts an impressive maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. This makes it suitable for a wide range of users. The double-layer imported nylon fabric further enhances the chair's durability. This material is 5 times stronger than the standard 600D Oxford cloth. It's tear-resistant and built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Durability is a key factor when choosing outdoor gear, and the MTRVR Portable Camp Chair doesn't disappoint.
I absolutely love this thing and how easy it is to use.
They make top-notch camping gear, and I really like it. Like I said, it's my new favorite